Hello everyone. Our subject is investment banking and financial service. We have started our unit number 5, that is securitization. So we already discussed meaning introductory part of the securitization. So let's start with the process of securitization. So here is, I repeat, what do you mean by securitization? Securitization means to convert illiquid asset into liquid asset. Clear? Illiquid means like house document, property document, title deeds. Clear? Then you have to convert into security, bonds and debenture. So here is, I repeat, typical securitization structure, how it works. So here is, we already discussed the process. So here is, as you know, John wants to buy house. He approached to loan originator. So there are main four parties: borrower, bank. Clear? Then special purpose vehicle or special purpose entity is one kind of financial institution and investor. So what happened? I repeat. Generally, for example, if you want to taken loan from the bank, clear, then nowadays bank will not easily provide loan, so bank will demand the security, mortgage. Clear? So is John is borrower. If John wants to take a loan from the bank, then John have to submit their legal document, property document, title deeds to the uh, bank. Clear? In return bank will provide loan. So this is simple. But nowadays, if there will be a numbers of borrowers are increasing market, if there will be thousands of borrowers in the market, then bank will not easily provide loan to each and every borrower. So sometimes bank have also crisis. Clear? A shortage of money. So bank have to, generally, if you want to take a loan, then you have to provide mortgage or security. So bank have a lots of mortgage in terms of property document, house document. Clear? આ બધું કેવા ફોર્મમાં હશે? ઇલિક્વિડ ફોર્મ. બેંક પાસે આ બધું કેવા ફોર્મમાં હશે? ઇલિક્વિડ ફોર્મ. ક્લિયર? which is also known as mortgage pool. Pool means group of asset. Mortgage pool હંમેશા કેવા ફોર્મમાં હશે? ઇલિક્વિડ ફોર્મ. ઇલિક્વિડ ફોર્મ એટલે કેવું ફોર્મ થશે? હાઉસ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ, પ્રોપર્ટી ડોક્યુમેન્ટ, ટાઇટલ ડીડ્સ. ક્લિયર? So if bank have a, when there are thousands of borrowers are increasing in market. Clear? So bank will not easily provide loan. Bank have also some kind shortage of cash. So bank have a mortgage pool. Clear? So this mortgage pool is transferred to the SPV, special purpose vehicle. What do you mean by special purpose vehicle? Special purpose vehicle is one kind of special purpose entity, or you can say independent organization which convert illiquid asset into liquid asset. Liquid એટલે in form of securities like converted into bond, debentures. Clear? And this bond and debenture sold to the general public, and general public subscribe this bond and debenture. Clear? Purchase this bond and debenture. So first one, as you know, John wants to buy house. He approached to loan originator, that is bank. There are thousands of people. જો માર્કેટમાં 10-12 borrower હોય તો bank will easily provide loan. Clear? There is no any kind of shortage of cash. But what happened when there is a thousands of borrowers in market who want to take a loan from the bank? So in that case, bank have a shortage. Clear? Of money. So here is, so there are thousands of people who are getting loan from bank by keeping different type of mortgages. So people have to provide security against loan. Clear? So nowadays bank will not easily provide loan without any kind of security. You have to, if you want to take a loan from the bank, then you have to compulsory submit your asset, your documents, your house property documents, title deeds. Clear? To the bank, and bank will provide loan. Bank issues the loan to them and create pool of mortgages. For example, bank કેસ લોન આપી દેશે. ક્લિયર? બોરોવર્સને. ઇન રિટર્ન બોરોવર શું આપશે? ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ, ટાઇટલ, હાઉસ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ, પ્રોપર્ટી ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ, આ બધું શું કહેવાશે? મોર્ગેજ પૂલ. પૂલ મીન્સ ગ્રુપ ઓફ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ. ક્લિયર? તો મોર્ગેજ પૂલ હંમેશા કેવા ફોર્મમાં હશે? ઇલિક્વિડ ફોર્મ. Liquid means cash form, clear, and illiquid means in document form. So bank then sell this pool of mortgage to the SPV with the intention to convert this pool of mortgage into marketable security. Now, when thousands of borrowers are increasing market, so there will be a shortage of cash in bank. So bank have to sell this mortgage pool, illiquid documents to the special purpose entity. આ એક ટાઈપનું ફાઇનાન્શિયલ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન છે, એનું મેઇન વર્ક શું, to convert pool of mortgages into marketable security. Mortgage pool એટલે જે આ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ છે બધા, હાઉસ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ, પ્રોપર્ટી ડોક્યુમેન્ટ, ક્લિયર, ઇલિક્વિડ, એને કેમાં કન્વર્ટ કરશે, માર્કેટેબલ સિક્યુરિટી. માર્કેટેબલ મીન્સ વિચ કેન બી ઇઝીલી સોલ્ડ ઇન ધી માર્કેટ, ક્લિયર, like bond, debenture. So the credit rating agency and investment banks came into the pictures. Credit rating agency gives rating to the securities. Investment bank provide liquidity support to the security, clear. So here is special purpose vehicle is one kind of organization, entity or financial institution which hire the credit rating agency which provide grade to the particular instrument like bond and debenture. So here is triple A grade bond, double A grade bond, triple B grade bond. So on the basis of grading, investor can take decision whether they have to make investment in particular company or not. Clear? So when such structured security are issued in the market, many investors subscribe to them. So what happened whenever special purpose institutions, નામ શું છે, special purpose vehicle is one kind of financial institution. They have to convert illiquid asset into liquid asset. Liquid means which can be easily sold in the market like bond and debenture, clear. So here is bond and debenture purchased by the general public. So what happened, special purpose vehicle only provide 6% interest to the investor, clear, and they have to charge 8 to 9% interest from the bank. So bank પાસે money આવી જશે. Here is bank, now bank can able to provide extra loan to the more number of people in the market, clear. So bank will charge 10 to 12%. So here is each and every entity have to set their own margin, clear. So this is the securitization, means to convert illiquid asset into liquid asset. So here is introductory part. So here is party involved in securitization. So first one, originator. Party, આ બધું હજી introduction part જ છે, okay. So here is parties involved in securitization. First one, originator. So originator એટલે કોણ થશે, bank, owner of the loan asset. He is required to identify receivables on loan asset which will be used for securitization purpose. So his originator is bank, clear, which provide loan to the general public. There is no, for example, in market if there will be a approx 20 to 30 borrower, then there will be no any kind of problem for the bank. But when there is a problem created, when thousands of borrowers are increasing in market, so bank will not able to provide loan to each and every person, because sometimes there will be also liquidity crunch crisis, clear. So second one, special purpose vehicle, either trust or registered company. Special purpose vehicle શું છે, one kind of financial institution which convert illiquid asset into liquid asset. Special purpose vehicle is created through trust and registered company. SPV is involved to buy loan asset and issue securitized instrument to the investor. એનું main function શું, તો કે બેંક પાસેથી જે ઇલિક્વિડ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ છે, હાઉસ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ, પ્રોપર્ટી ડોક્યુમેન્ટ, એને શું કહેવાશે, મોર્ગેજ પૂલ, ક્લિયર. બેંક એસપીવીને સેલ કરશે અને એસપીવીનું મેઇન કામ શું, તો કે આ બધું જે મોર્ગેજ પૂલ છે ઇલિક્વિડ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ ફોર્મમાં એને સિક્યુરિટીમાં કન્વર્ટ કરશે, and which can be sold in the market. That's why that is also known as to convert marketable security. Then investor. Investor may be in form of general public, individual. There are two type of investor, clear. Individual investor and institutional investor. Individual એટલે, for example, if any person buy shares of the company, then it will be considered as an individual investor. Then institutional investor means, for example, if any company, financial institution company, mutual fund company, insurance company purchase share of the company, then it will be considered as an institutional investor, such as financial institution, mutual fund, bank, pension fund, insurance company. આ કોઈ પણ કંપનીના શેર પરચેઝ કરે તો એને શું કહેવાશે, institutional investor. They by participating interest in total pool of receivable and receive their payment in form of interest. Then rating agency. So here is rating agency generally hired by the special purpose vehicle to provide grade or symbol to the instrument like bond and debenture. So bond and debenture નું rating કરશે કે triple A grade bond. Highest rating means safe investment, clear, and lowest rating means risk of your investment. So rating agency, there are, we already discussed, there are various credit rating agency. Credit rating agency નું main function શું હોય તો કે to provide grade or symbol to the particular instrument, and on the basis of grade and symbol they can take, investor can take decision whether they have to make investment in particular company or not, clear. So rating agency assess the quality of securitized instrument and assign appropriate rating symbol of such instrument. The rating process would assess the strength of cash flow and mechanism designed to ensure full and timely payment by the process of selection of loan, clear. So rating agencies provide CRISIL, ICRA provide grade to the particular instrument, so investor can take decision whether financial position of the company is strong or not, clear. Administrator or servicer, many times originator of loan asset act as administrator, clear. Bank, originator means bank, his role is to collect the payment due from obligors and pass to the SPVs. So in case borrower refuse to make payment, then administrator is required to follow up the recovery with defaulting borrowers, clear. Then obligors means borrowers. obligors means શું થશે? બોરોવર, જેને લોનની જરૂર હોય એ. Is the originators, originator means bank, debtor, originators debtors. originator એટલે બેંક પાસેથી જેને લોન જોતી હોય બોરોવર, એને શું કહેવાય? obligors, clear. Then process. So this is the main question of securitization. એને બીજું શું કહેવાશે? securitization as a funding mechanism, clear. So let's start with the process in securitization. So we have seen above that securitization is a process by which future cash inflow of entity converted into debt instrument. એટલે receivable જે લોનના ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ હતા એને તમે શેમાં કન્વર્ટ કર્યું? Security, marketable security which can be easily sold in the market. So here is, there is a main entity, special purpose vehicle. Without special purpose vehicle there is no any kind of possible process of the securitization, clear. So let's start with the very first one, that is first step, origination of the asset. First one, securitization as a funding mechanism. First step is origination of asset. Asset are originated, so it is asset are originated through receivable, lease, housing loan and so on by company. The company identify the asset to be securitized and package them in pool. Pool means group, clear. First તો તમે, for example, if as a borrower, clear, if you want to take a loan from bank, then you have to provide security, mortgage to the bank. So first you have to identify the asset, clear, which provided to the bank in form of mortgage. So bank have to create mortgage pool. Mortgage pool કેવા ફોર્મમાં હશે? illiquid form. Illiquid form એટલે, for example, if you want to take a loan from the bank, then you have to submit your house document, property document, title documents, clear, to the bank. So you first you have to identify the asset, which type of property you have that should be provided in form of mortgage to the bank. Second one, special purpose vehicle. હવે સ્પેશિયલ પર્પઝ વ્હીકલ એટલે શું થશે? સ્પેશિયલ પર્પઝ એન્ટિટી, એનું નામ છે સ્પેશિયલ પર્પઝ, ક્લિયર. આમ તો એ શું છે? વન કાઇન્ડ ઓફ ફિનાન્શિયલ ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન, ક્લિયર. So after they analyze the asset, the cash flow from asset are pulled together and assigned to the SPV, clear. જે પછી બેંક પાસે, for example, if there will be only approx 10 to 12 borrowers in market, then bank will easily provide loan in cash, clear. But when there is a thousands of borrowers continuously increasing in market day by day, then bank will not provide easily loan, clear. Bank have a some kind, sometimes shortage of cash, scarcity of finance. So bank have to create, bank have a mortgage pool, જે document submit કરાવ્યા હોય borrowers, clear. તો બેંક પાસે શું હશે? ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ, લીગલ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ, ટાઇટલ ડેટ્સ, હાઉસ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ, પ્રોપર્ટી ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ, આ બધા ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સનું શું કરશે? મેકિંગ પૂલ મીન્સ ગ્રુપ ઓફ documents, clear, which can be also known as mortgage pool. So this mortgage pool sell to the SPV, special purpose vehicle, by the bank. Clear? Bank કોને sell કરશે? Special purpose vehicle. So assigned to the SPV. The pool of asset. Pool of asset એટલે શું થશે? Mortgage pool, જે બધા documents છે illiquid form માં transfer to the SPV, which is organized in form of trust. As soon as asset are sold and transferred to SPV, asset are taken off from the balance sheet of the originator. હવે બેંક ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ બેંક પાસે કેશ નથી. ક્લિયર? બેંક હવે બેંક કેન નોટ એબલ ટુ પ્રોવાઈડ લોન ટુ ધી થાઉઝન્ડ્સ ઓફ બોરોવર્સ. સો બેંક પાસે ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ છે બધા. ક્લિયર? તો બેંક આ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ છે, હાઉસ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ, મોર્ગેજ પૂલ, એ એસપીવીને સેલ કરશે. ક્લિયર? એસપીવી ને સેલ કરશે એટલે હિયર ઇઝ જે બધી અસેટ હતી, ક્લિયર, ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ હતા, એ ઓરિજિનેટર મીન્સ બેંકની બેલેન્સ શીટમાંથી રિમૂવ થઈ જશે. ક્લિયર? સો હિયર ઇઝ એસપીવીનું મેઇન કામ શું? તો કે મેઇન ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ ઇઝ ટુ કન્વર્ટ ઇલિક્વિડ અસેટ ઇન્ટુ લિક્વિડ અસેટ. ઇલિક્વિડ એટલે જે બધા ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ છે મોર્ગેજ પૂલ, એને માર્કેટેબલ સિક્યુરિટીમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું. માર્કેટેબલ સિક્યુરિટી એટલે બોન્ડ એન્ડ ડિબેન્ચર વિચ કેન બી ઇઝીલી સોલ્ડ ઇન ધી માર્કેટ. ક્લિયર? દેન ઇસ્યુઅન્સ ઓફ સિક્યુરિટી બાય એસપીવી. હવે એસપીવી જે બેંકે બધા ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ છે એ કોને? મોર્ગેજ પૂલ, બેંક પાસે જે મોર્ગેજ પૂલ હતું, ક્લિયર, ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સનું, એ બેંકે કોના પર ટ્રાન્સફર કર્યું? ટુ ધી એસપીવી. એસપીવીનું મેઇન ફંક્શન શું? તો કે ટુ કન્વર્ટ ઇલિક્વિડ અસેટ ઇન્ટુ લિક્વિડ અસેટ. હવે liquid asset એટલે to issue the security like bond and debenture by SPV. Now the SPV issue tradable security. Tradable means which can be easily sold in the market. Marketable security backed by pool of asset. ને જે આ બધા બોન્ડ અને ડિબેન્ચર એસપીવી ઇસ્યુ કરે છે એ કેવા હશે? સિક્યોર્ડ, બેક્ડ બાય ધી મોર્ગેજ પૂલ. ક્લિયર? સો ધ સિક્યુરિટી બેક્ડ બાય પૂલ ઓફ અસેટ મોર્ગેજ પૂલ કન્વર્ટેડ ઇન્ટુ ટ્રેડેડ સિક્યુરિટીઝ કોલ્ડ પાસ થ્રુ સર્ટિફિકેટ. ધીસ સિક્યુરિટી are asset backed security. Clear? Then security purchased by the investor. So SPV have to issue the security and this security purchased by the investor. So security like a bond, debenture sold to the investor, and insurance given by SPV that interest of investor is secured. So SPV have to issue secured bond, secured debenture, that investment will be safe. Clear? Then હિયર ઇઝ પ્રોફિટ કોને કેટલો થશે? તો હિયર ઇઝ એસપીવી જે સેલ કરે છે બોન્ડ એન્ડ ડિબેન્ચર, એના ઉપર એસપીવી ઇન્વેસ્ટર પાસેથી કેટલું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ચાર્જ કરશે? એસપીવી ઇન્વેસ્ટર, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, એસપીવી have to sold bond and debenture to the general public, and general public investor have to subscribe. Clear? So SPV here is general public purchase કરે તો SPV ઇન્વેસ્ટરને કેટલું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ આપશે? ઓનલી ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 6 to 7%. ક્લિયર? અને એસપીવી ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ only 6 to 7% investment provided to the investor. So here is SPV now SPV charge from the bank, that is 10 to 12%. Clear? And bank will charge again from the general public 15 to 16%. So each and every entity, here is borrower, bank, SPV and investor, each and every entity have to set their own margin. Then repay fund. The cash flow received from pool of asset are used for distribution of interest and principal repayment to the investor. So in short, SPV use the cash flow received from pool of asset to repay invested by the investor. So it is cash flow received from the pool of asset. Generally જે SPV security issue કરી હોય general public purchase કરે. Clear? સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરે તો એસપીવીને ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ આપવું પડે. એસપીવીએ બોન્ડ અને ડિબેન્ચર ઇસ્યુ કર્યા હોય તો બોન્ડ એન્ડ ડિબેન્ચર ઉપર શું આપવું પડે? ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ કમ્પલસરી. તો ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ કેવું હશે? સાવ ઓછું, 6 to 7%. અને હિયર ઇઝ જે ફંડ છે, ક્લિયર, એ એસપીવી બેંકને આપે ત્યારે બેંક પાસેથી કેટલું ચાર્જ કરશે? 10 to 12%. So now bank will able to provide loan more thousands of people. Clear? So bank will charge again 15 to 16%. So each and every entity set their own margin of profit. Clear? Income. So this is the securitization process. Clear? Securitization means to convert illiquid asset into liquid asset. Illiquid means mortgage pool, group of documents. Clear? to convert into marketable securities by the SPV. Special purpose vehicle is one kind of financial institutions. Clear? Main objective is to convert illiquid asset into liquid asset. So this is the process, or you can say funding mechanism. You have to compulsory prepare. Clear? Thank you all. If you have any doubt or query, then you can message me. Clear? And here is, this is the first question, that is process. We have to complete only meaning and introductory part, or you can say funding mechanism or process of the securitization. Clear? Our unit number 5. So if you have any doubt or query, then you can message me. Thank you all.